The kingfisher, a jewel of nature. The kingfisher is one of nature's most dazzling birds, known for its vibrant colours and incredible fishing skills. This small, agile bird lives up to its royal name, gliding gracefully over rivers and ponds. The kingfisher is found on every continent except Antarctica, adapting to a wide variety of habitats. You can spot them near freshwater rivers, streams, lakes, and even along coastal shores. Kingfishers belong to a bird family called Alcedinidae, which has over 90 different species. Their vivid colours make them stand out, with shades of electric blue, orange, green, and sometimes even purple. These colours aren't from pigments, but from the structure of their feathers, which refract light to create a shimmering effect. Kingfishers are small to medium-sized birds, typically 4 to 18 inches in length. They have long, sharp beaks that are perfectly designed for catching fish. Their heads appear larger compared to their bodies, which helps balance them during their swift dives. Kingfishers are often called river jewels because of their stunning appearance. They are solitary birds, usually seen perched quietly on branches or rocks near water. The kingfisher's diet primarily consists of fish, but they also eat insects, crustaceans, and small amphibians. One of the most remarkable traits of the kingfisher is its diving ability. It can hover momentarily before plunging into the water like a dart to catch its prey. Its eyes have a special protective membrane, allowing it to see underwater. The kingfisher's vision is so sharp that it can calculate the exact location of fish beneath the water's surface. After catching its prey, the bird returns to its perch to consume it. It flips the fish around to swallow it head first, making it easier to go down. Some species of kingfishers, like the pied kingfisher, can hover like a helicopter before diving. These birds are incredibly territorial and will fiercely defend their feeding areas. Kingfishers communicate through sharp, high-pitched calls, often heard near water bodies. Their nests are unique, as they are built in burrows dug into riverbanks. The female kingfisher lays between 4 to 8 eggs, which are incubated by both parents. Kingfisher chicks hatch blind and featherless, completely dependent on their parents. Both parents work tirelessly to feed their young, bringing them small fish and insects. Within 3 to 4 weeks, the chicks grow feathers and are ready to leave the nest. Kingfishers are not just beautiful, they also play an important role in the ecosystem. By controlling fish and insect populations, they help maintain a balanced aquatic environment. Their presence near water bodies is often a sign of healthy ecosystems. The kingfisher has inspired many cultures, appearing in folklore, art, and even literature. In Greek mythology, the bird is associated with calm seas and peaceful weather. The term halcyon days refers to a period of calm and tranquility, named after the mythical kingfisher. Despite their beauty and skill, kingfishers face threats in the modern world. Habitat loss due to deforestation and water pollution has impacted their populations. Many conservation efforts are underway to protect these birds and their habitats. Nature reserves and protected wetlands play a vital role in their survival. If you're lucky enough to see a kingfisher, it's a moment you'll never forget. Their quick movements and vibrant colours are a joy to watch. Birdwatchers often wait patiently for hours to catch a glimpse of these elusive birds. The kingfisher's incredible adaptability has allowed it to thrive in various environments. Some species, like the belted kingfisher, are found in North America. While others, like the common kingfisher, inhabit Europe and Asia. Australia is home to the kookaburra, a type of kingfisher famous for its laughing call. Each species of kingfisher has unique traits that make it special and fascinating. The kingfisher's slender body and strong wings enable it to fly swiftly over water. Its beak acts like a spear designed to pierce the water's surface with minimal splash. The bird's unique coloration helps it camouflage in its surroundings. The top of its body blends with the blue sky, while the underside matches the earthy tones below. This clever camouflage helps the kingfisher avoid predators like hawks and owls. The bird's sharp claws and strong grip allow it to perch steadily on branches. Kingfishers also have an extraordinary sense of timing. Striking at the perfect moment to catch prey. Their life in the wild is a constant balance between hunting, nesting, and avoiding predators. Scientists study kingfishers to learn about their behavior, anatomy, and ecological importance. Their streamlined body has even inspired engineers designing high-speed trains and aircraft. For kids learning about nature, the kingfisher is a perfect example of adaptability and beauty. Observing these birds teaches us about the interconnectedness of life and ecosystems. The kingfisher reminds us of the importance of protecting our natural world. From its dazzling colours to its impressive hunting skills, the kingfisher is a bird like no other. Its story is one of survival, beauty, and the wonders of nature. So next time you're near a river or pond, keep an eye out for this magnificent bird. The kingfisher will leave you amazed and inspired. Showcasing the marvels of the animal kingdom. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe to encourage us.